Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your skin within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you will be able to start enjoying your game right away from the play button. Now, if you wish to change your skin or your character, then just tap on the character icon alongside the home button at the top section. Now, within this menu, you can tap on outfits in order to choose from various different skins as well as colors and patterns. Choose your desired color from the color menu, and then you can cycle through the other options by tapping on the Q or the E button or by clicking on them from the top section. Once you have chosen your color, your pattern, as well as your face and the upper and lower outfits, you can simply return back into your game and tap on the save button to make sure to save your changes that you have made to your skin of your character. And now you can go back to start your game, and your skin has been applied to your character, with which you can enjoy your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the skin of your character on Fall Guys. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.